Hello and welcome to the Rautitan water training course powered by myrehau.com. Our aim is to provide advanced product installation training to help our customers be the best in the market. Following the training content, you will be required to answer a few questions to complete the course. Once completed, you will become a member of the Rehau authorized installer network for Rautitan water piping system. I hope you enjoy the course.
The Rautitan water system uses compression sleeve jointing technology, invented by Rehau in 1988. It was introduced into the Australian market in 1991 and is the longest-running PEX drinking water system. 2016 marked 25 years of continuous sales of Rautitan in Australia. Rehau is the only PEX supplier that has a system that has been in operation longer than its warranty. Before we begin, this course covers the PEX A Rautitan pipes only. Rautitan Stabile pipes as well as gas installations are covered in a separate training course.